What's up, guys? So today's video we're going to be making, follow us on Instagram, we call these doohickeys. They work great for miter corners. Hope you enjoy it. Alright guys, we got our miter frame here. Now we're getting ready to glue it and clamp it up. We had a bunch of these triangles, so we're going to try some clamps here and see how they work out. So first we put our CA glue on. We use Starbond. This is Starbond medium. Glue on. Accelorator on there. Line it up where you want it. Press and hold. Give it a few seconds to grab a good bond. Alright guys, Starbond medium. So we got 4 of them made. We're going to pop a couple nails in here with our trim gun just in case. And then we'll see. We got it in the clamps. As you can tell, we was able to put equal pressure against all 4 sides using these little, we'll call them doohickeys. So we put them together with the Starbond, the medium, and the Accelorator, and then the frame itself is held together with Titebond speed set. This stuff is pretty awesome if you guys hadn't tried it. We use it a few times and we absolutely love it. So we'll let it cure up and we'll see what comes of it. So it just came out of the clamps. If you have scrap stuff laying around, those work awesome. I'd say all in all, not bad for the first go around. Now we'll get the glass cut, ready to rock and roll.